Hey y'all, watch me do my small box braids in the color ash brown. So I'm just taking out the package and I absolutely love this color. It is gorgeous. But here's where I messed up. I did not comb it through and then, yeah, you're about to see it. Okay. Yeah, the tangled. My face says it all because I was not expecting that. But anyways, the color. This is the Gozil pre-stretched braiding hair in the color ash brown. Y'all should sponsor me. Yes, Gozil, y'all should sponsor me because at this point, I am giving y'all a good review. I love this color. So I'm here putting it on the braiding rack. And this braiding rack helped so much to make sure all my braids turn out the same size. So I think this was on... I think I got this from Amazon. Okay, I will link this in the description box because I'm not remembering. So I'm just showing that I made sure each size was to be the same size because I did not have time to do all that. Anyways, so I finished. And then here is, I think, the third braid that I did. But I always, the back of my hair, no. As y'all can see, I'm using my TV screen to braid, to help me braid. And I saw this trick on TikTok and I was like, whoa, I'm gonna try this because my neck always hurt so bad when I'm trying to use a mirror, but the TV screen trick saved so much. So anyways, okay, so I'm just braiding it and I am on the second row. I think this is a closer up. Yes, this is a closer up. I think I used three pieces of braids here. 3 pieces of braids here, and I was gripping it because I did not want to start all over or have a fallout. But anyways, this is the third row, and I was trying to make the parts really clean. And then third row is done, and okay. So we skipped a couple chapters. But that's okay. I think I really like doing the front of my braids first, especially with the new color that I'm trying because I want to see if I like it, and also just in case if I run out of hair. So I'm here just braiding. Okay. And I was really tired at this point. I think this was day 2. I really liked the color, but I think at this point I was like ready to be done. So I finished the front section, and as you can see, the parts are looking so clean, and then there was the back. Y'all, am I the only one with thick hair? Because I kept parting, sectioning, and honestly it's because I did small braids with small parts, so that also adds on to why it was taking forever. But at the end, y'all will see the end results. It's gorgeous. So y'all, yeah, this just threw me off because how do I have this much hair left to braid? Anyways, y'all, so I was trying to make the parts clean, making sure the parts were clean, and yeah, I wished it was that quick. Last braid. I really wish it was that quick. But I honestly was so happy to be done with this last braid. I hope y'all are enjoying this video because the whole time I was making this, I was laughing. But last braid, last stretch, I was so ready to be done. I don't think I dipped it in hot water the same day because it was around, I think it was like 11 p.m. and I was ready to sleep. I was like, I'm going to bed. That'll be for tomorrow's worries. So here's the end results, y'all. I love this color, ash brown. So gorgeous. The braids laid flat. Thank you so much for watching.